Hi everyone, a warm welcome from Sasa Stitch. I'm so pleased that you're here to create this adorable crochet bell flower with me. It's truly versatile. We can make it a big jam bag, a car accessory, or a gentle bell. Simply lovely. Now let's us see what prepare for this. The crochet hook. I use the small one. Scissors, needle, two color, white for the flower and green for the leaf. But if you like another color for flower, let make it, no problem. Make what you love. Now let us start. We will start with the magic ring. Magic ring and 6 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then we close the ring. Make a 1 slip stitch. We finish row 1. Row 2, we make 1 chain and 2 single crochet in 1 stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. We finish with the slip stitch. Row 3, 1 chain. We make 1 single crochet and 2 single crochet in 1 stitch. 1, 2. Second time, 1, 1, 2. Third time, 1, 2. Fourth time, 1, 2. Fifth time, 1, 1, 2. Last time, 1 and 1, 2. We finish with 1 slip stitch. And then 4 rounds later, we make single crochet all. I will see you when we finish 4 rounds with single crochet. 4 rounds of single crochet. Now we go to the next row. 1 chain, 1 single crochet, and 1 decrease. Yes, and we repeat on the row totally 6 times. This is the second time. 1 single crochet, 1 decrease. Second time. Third time, 1 single crochet, 1 decrease. Fourth time, 1 single crochet, 1 decrease. Fifth time, 1 single crochet, 1 decrease. And last time, 1 single crochet and 1 decrease. And 1 slip stitch to finish it. And we go to the last row. 1 single crochet. In the same stitch, we make 1 single crochet, 1 half double crochet, 1 double crochet in same stitch. So we have 3 in 1 stitch. We go to the next stitch. 1 double crochet, 1 half double crochet, and 1 single crochet. So we finish 2, and we repeat 5 times more. 1 single crochet, 1 half double crochet, and 1 single crochet. Then we make from here 1 slip stitch, fasten off, cut the yarn. Then we hide the yarn. then we cut it. Look, now we already done one bell flower. We will make it 4 more with the same chart. Yes, and we already finished 5 flowers. Now we use the green yarn to make the leaf. With the leaf, we will start with the sitting chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Then we turn to start in the second stitch here, 1 single crochet. Next, 1 half double crochet. Next stitch, 1 double crochet. Next, we make 1 triple crochet. Then 1 double crochet, 1 half double crochet, and 1 single crochet. We repeat, continue the same, 1 single crochet, 1 half double crochet, 1 double crochet, 1 triple crochet, 1 double crochet, 1 half double crochet, 1 single crochet, and we make here 1 slip stitch. One slip, and then we turn here to make the seam. 1 single crochet, 1 half double crochet, 1 double crochet, 1 triple crochet, 1 double crochet, 1 half double crochet, 1 single crochet, then 1 single crochet, 1 half double crochet, 1 double crochet, 1 triple crochet, 1 double crochet, 1 half double crochet, 1 single crochet, and 1 slip. Fasten off. And hide the yarn. We finished the leaf, and now it's time to connection everything together. We will use the green yarn also. First, we will make 30 chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Get the yarn, and we will use a hook to tie it inside here. We will make like this to keep it inside. Like this. Connection with another one. And we make the same. Tie it. And make. So we already connection 2. We will make 30 chain again to connect these two together. Yes, we already connection 2 like this. And now with the first flower, we will make here 25 chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then we connect with the first flower. We make a knot here. Yep. And then one by one, we will connection with the first two here. Yes, connect together. Then go up 15 chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And connect with other one. Make like this. And connection. And now we go up 50 chain to connect with the leaf. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Then we leave a little bit longer and cut the yarn. Last step, we will use the needle here to connection with the leaf here. We go from here to here. Okay, now we done. Hide this and cut the yarn. Now we fix a little bit. Ta-da! We finished. It was so lovely to spend this time with you. I love that you adore your new bellflower charm. Please don't forget to like this video, leave for me a sweet comment, and join the Sasa Stitch family by subscribing the channel. Happy crafting! Give you the big hug, big kiss. I will see you in the next time. Love you. Bye.